Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll be unboxing the standing grip case from Samsung for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So this is a free gift from Samsung, where when you give a review, you get this standing grip case and you get a duo wireless charger. So let's go ahead and unbox this. If you want to see the duo wireless charger, which I've unboxed, I'll put a link down below in the description. So go ahead and watch that as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So in the box, we get this charger here. It's quite a solid plastic case. And you've got this color here. So this is the standing grip case. So to grip it, go ahead and just slide it down. And you can basically grip your iPhone like this. And if you want to make it stand, go ahead and take it all the way down. And then go ahead and just stand it. So here I've got my Samsung S25 Ultra. Let's see how it looks. It's quite a plastic case. So if I want to hold it, I can go ahead and grip it this way. And if I want to make it stand, I can make it stand and I can watch videos that way. So there you go guys, that is the unboxing of the standing grip case from Samsung for your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.